solve the Rubik's Cube. First you have to get a cross going down and across. So you want to get and then once you have the cross, you want to get these 4 corners. So So now I have one vase with 1 row of all colors. And the colors have to match up with the centerpiece. And then you have to get the second layer, so like how this has a second row. So to move this piece to right here, so I'm going to do that. So now this side and that side. And then I have to move that piece to right there. So you have to go like this. Now I have 3 sides, and now I have to get this piece to right here. So I'm going to have to go. Turn! Okay, now I have it all. Second row. So now I have to get a cross on the top, like I did on the bottom. So I have to move. Okay, I have to get the cross. So put this. Okay, so now I have the cross. Now I have to get the middles to match up with it, like this one. So it has to match. So I have to go like this. you have to get the matching cubes in the right spot. So, you have to get you just have to keep doing this until you get it. I'm making a video of myself solving this. This is my little sister. She's annoying.
Hi.
Very annoying. I mean it. Look at how close I am. Do you want to watch me solve it?
Sure.
Hop a squat. Okay. Then... No, I have to keep going. Oops, wrong way.
Nice. All the white is together.
I know. It's supposed to be.
All of them is missing one color.
Shut up.
Excuse me. I thought you were talking to someone.
Yeah, I'm talking to the computer.
I couldn't see you.
Oh, sorry. Dun, 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 dun. That's all. It's taking forever.
And
And
I'll be back.
And ever. And ever. Finally, they're all in the same place.
This is mine.
I know. So now, they're in the right place, but these two aren't on the right color. They're not like the right, direction. So now I have to go like this. This is the final step. After I finish this step, I'm going to be complete with this Rubik's Cube. Okay.
This is mine. What did you do that
Jordan,
for?
shush, please.
Mine is complete. Since I'm in it, you're putting it on my YouTube account.
No, I'm not. You kidding me?
No, I'm not kidding you. See ya.
Okay, I'm almost there.
Bye-bye.
Bye. I'll miss you.
Nah.
Do do
Nah,
do
I'll
do
never miss you.
do 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 do. Ready? You ready for this? Ready? Ready? I beat it.